encapsulating nails and like really intricate nail art was always my thing. And the girl just somehow got away from it. Like, I didn't really get away from it. The clients that I would get always wanted the basics, like just regular full set and polish, like gel polish. And I got tired of doing the same thing over and over. So I was just like, you know what, whatever. Because I'm not getting the girlies that I want. But hopefully this finds the girlies who like the glitters, the intricate nail art, the long nails, the just everything about nails and nail art. Now, I mean, if you want the shorties, cool, we can still do those. But my girls with the long, that want the long nails, the art, the glitters, all that good stuff, hit me up. I hope this finds you and finds you well. You know? Yeah, so I encapsulated this glitter one by itself. Make it a little bit more clear in the back by the quote unquote cuticle. There we go. It's so cute. So I'm gonna let this dry, but she's cute. But yes, guys, these are the results from the 2 practice nails that I've done. I'm going to show you up close what they look like. And there they are. Really cute. This one here is almost like a French type thing. And then this one here is just a glitter mix that I made by itself with, of course, it's encapsulated with clear acrylic, but yes. And yes, that's all, y'all. Okay, you guys, so that was my little midnight, not even midnight, like early morning dibble dabble. But I'm so glad that I took out my nail stuff because like I have a lot of stuff that I can use. I can do like multiple full sets right now. I just have, okay. I just basically have to up my charm game and my rhinestones, not rhinestones, my Swarovskis, because I use Swarovskis. When I was doing nails, I was using Swarovskis. Like I was at Michael's, Hobby Lobby if I didn't order them myself. But yes, you guys, if you would like to see more custom nail mixes like these, here, I can do those. If you want to see me do a set of nails, just let me know. If you would like to book a nail appointment, just let me know. I'm here. And honestly, I don't promote myself like how I used to. And I need to get back to that, honestly. But yeah, this is really cute. I'm low-key wanting to do my own nails like this. And I probably will, but I might use a different color than pink. But yeah, she's so cute. Excuse my nails. I just took some press-ons off, but this is really cute. All right, you guys, thank you for watching.